You know just what you do to me. Play my emotions like
Hey guys, it's Enchanted Lip, and I forgot to record an intro for my get ready, prepare for my 5-year-old's birthday party. So here I am just doing the intro. We did a saran wrap ball, which is a staple for my family. We have also done a pinata, and I was hoping to do some balloon arches and make a banner as well, but neither of those got done. Nonetheless, all of the kids that showed up had fun. We went swimming and had a lot of fun at the beach. So just watch and you'll see. We're starting off strong here with the filling for the saran wrap ball, and you'll see all the goodies I have here. I have some dum-dums, some fun dip pouches. Now there's like 3 different flavors and 2 different sticks for that. I also got them sand toys that I cut apart, wrapped individually. You can see there's some bizarre foam, jump ropes, there's some cups, some of the dollar cups, and some of those blower party favor toys that you can get. The kids definitely had a ball, and as you can see here, we are wrapping the ball. Now, I did this with the help of the now 5-year-old, and my 7-month-old was nursing intermittently. She also decided that she wanted to unwrap the ball some. You can definitely see me struggling, but what else are you going to do when you're a mother? They wanted to help, and I wanted to get the footage, so you guys get blessed to see them both in this video. Now, that's not going to happen very often. I went through the different prizes with my daughters and put them all in. Now, I did have a problem with the 5-year-old saying, "Oh yes, I should just have one of each. That's what I should have." And of course, that is greedy, and so we talked about that a little bit while we went through this. It was fun. Now you can see here with our poster boards, I have 3 different colors. We just wanted to make sure everybody knew where the party was. And we cut up the handle of a dishwashing sponge and used some stencils so we could get some color on here. You can see we did rainbow for Emma's and then party in rainbow. I was going to add a little bit more to this, but one of them ended up with an arrow, and that was enough. Now, if I ever say let's do rainbow letters with a stencil and a 5-year-old, please call me crazy. This was a little bit of a struggle, but nonetheless we had fun. Emma was very proud of what she had done, and her dad actually ended up using the signs again for his birthday party for her. Now you can see here in a second, these are what we had left over from the saran wrap ball.
You know just what you do.
Put it with the rest of the items to go
Play
in
my
our
emotions like a pair of puppets.
Different candies we decided to go with.
Did it ever cut
at
you? My heart's more than a toy.
Now,
Please go easy on me, babe.
But we did have fun.
Send message after message.
The kids
Forward
got
my
lots of candy and goodies.
Next day you hit me back like nothing happened.
You'll see my hand, my husband's hand.
What about all the things you used to say to me?
5-year-old's hand. We all had a lot of fun filling this up, and you can see we stuck the actual gummies to the side.
I wouldn't do
that way we would have them kind of block the hole.
I wouldn't treat you that way.
We did fit everything except for some of the extra lollipops I had from the saran wrap ball. But it's okay, those got used, of course. We have
you got me.
My sister and her girlfriend
Chasing waterfall.
We have our rainbow layers. We have the light floor like the cloud.
You got me.
Like violet,
chasing
indigo,
waterfall.
blue, green. yellow, orange,
All
red,
of the
and
times I've
then
been there,
another
times I
white
came
layer.
through.
Here
I'd
are our
meet
fruit
you
and veggie
anywhere if
trays,
it brought me
along
closer
with
to
our
you.
tomato and onion
Distance is
plate
killing
that was
me,
meant
you
for the
make it
taco
so
bar.
hard.
And the 7-month-old
Won't you
threw it
let
on the
me
ground at
love
one
you,
point.
babe?
So here is our
Used to
delicious
be
beef.
optimistic.
Now,
These days I
we
just
need
don't know.
about
Pick a
6,
fence in the
almost
valley.
7
I hope
pounds,
it's losing its
and it all got
hold.
8.
You know the mother girls
Here
who
we
love you like
had
I
set
do.
up our sign, and I
Can't
wanted to
afford
show
to give up
you
on you.
where we put it so people
And
could
you
see it off the road.
know I wouldn't
And you
do
can
that
just enjoy
to
the
you.
beautiful
You
scene
know
of driving
I
across
wouldn't
the
treat you
lake.
that way. No, I've been running, can't catch
It's
up.
definitely very
Oh love,
relaxing,
what I won't do.
gorgeous, and
Oh, you got me chasing waterfalls. Oh, you got me
very early.
chasing waterfalls.
She's eating. Yeah, we were the first people to show up, but as soon as we showed up, other people started showing up. Here you will see the highest pool elevation, which means at one point this whole parking lot was covered.
Got me chasing waterfalls.
Alright, we made it here. Lily's sleeping. We've got some of the stuff. Emma is down there playing right where I can keep an eye on her. My husband is off to go get the rest of our stuff. But my mom showed up with the wagon and of course the rest of our stuff. And so we'll have the bounce house set up and enjoy this beautiful. Makes you want to go outside, huh?
To get down in the water. Now this was my 7-month-old.
So gorgeous.
You know just what
We've got our own grilling area.
You do
There's a small one and then a big one. I don't know which one we want to actually use. And we have a lot of room here. We can grab another table if we need or leave them for other people. Of course, that's something we're going to try to do.
More of where we plan to
Thank you guys.
Forward, my girl.
No.
Alright,
we got the bounce house set
I
up.
apologize for camera skills.
That's fine, Emma. Alright. We got the bounce house set up. We got stuff to clean up.
Bounce house is set up. We
Getting the table set up.
There is our starts of our set.
And Louise is just kind of chilling in her own cage.
She had caged the 7-month-old
So,
in the playpen.
definitely bouncing with a view.
And she loved it more.
What I
You
won't
see them swimming and playing in the water.
Oh, you
I
got
did get their matching bathing suits off the
chasing
sheet,
waterfalls.
my husband's. You can see my sheet.
Oh,
the
you
kids' bathing
got
suits. I got
me
one for myself, of course.
chasing waterfalls.
Alright, we got Emma here, birthday girl. We also got some presents here at the food table where we're going to eat. She got one of her presents already. It's a big seal. We got the playpen. Got food started. What? It's about 15 minutes till 2 when the party's supposed to start. So,
Just don't know. Pick a fence in the valley. Baby's losing its hold. You know the mother girls will love you like I do. Can't afford to give up on you. And you know I wouldn't do that to you. You know.
yeah.
I wanna treat you that way. No, I've been running, can't catch up.
And here you can see everybody just
what I won't do.
Say to you. No, blow her out. It's okay, Emma. Get it off. That was nice. Look how pretty. Do you like it?
Oh, you got me chasing waterfalls. oh, you've got me chasing waterfalls.